All right. Hey there, folks. All right. So, if you watched the first part, we kind of did the unboxing. This is the Ice House from PK&W Scale Model Works. Love these decals, especially that one. That's such an awesome decal. All right. So, like I said, this is my first 3D printed kit. So, what I went ahead and did is I primed all the pieces with hold on here. I get We did some fine Tamiya surface primer in fine gray, light gray. I always seem to, sorry, that's, just out of habit. All plastic kits that I do, I always spray it with this primer. And then, so I got some white paint. So the next step will be I'm going to go ahead and airbrush it white. I know it came white, but I have one that's a little custom white blend that's got a little bit of gray and it's different. So you just take it one step further. I was hoping I could get this filled in more. I'm not sure. To me, a putty is hard as a rock. So I don't know. I'm going to lay down some white paint and see if it fills it in. If it doesn't, I may strip it and get some putty and fill it in. I don't know. Like I said, it's my first 3D printed kit, so you're along for the ride with me, hey? So, all right, let me get this painted, and then we'll see where we go from there. All right, so got the white paint on there. So next up, I'm gonna do some weathering. I'm going to do some rusting a little bit, look up some pictures of that, and then put the decals on, and then get this thing assembled. Work's been kind of crazy, so it's kind of slow going, but also need some different super glue. I realized I went and looked and my super glue's all dried up, eh? I guess that's what you need to assemble. Like I said, I never assembled 3D printed kit, so this is new to me. So I got the instructions here, and so we will continue on, eh? So yeah, Ice House build, eh? So all right, stay tuned for the next little bit here. I'm gonna dig out my weathering stuff. Everything is still packed up from the transition here, getting the lounge together, so I'm kind of slacking there, eh? But all right, so enough rambling, man. So all right, folks, well, until the next installment, remember, be kind.